Today we're heading deep into one of the clearest creeks you've ever seen to chase one of the hardest fighting fish on ultralight gear, the smallmouth bass. I'm running super finesse setups, 4-pound line, tiny jigs, and these bronze backs are putting up big fights in skinny water. So grab your rod, tighten that drag, and let's get after it.
We're down here at the creek. We're going to be fishing for bass using smaller lures. So I picked up a couple different baits. Show you what we're going to start with here. This is what we're going to start with. This is a product made by Invinci Core, and that is called the Evo Mite. It kind of resembles a Helgramite. As you can see, the tail is very thin, so as it's swimming through the water, you're going to get a lot of action on that tail. So we have those. And then we have these right here. These are creek bugs, same company. These are more for trout, but we'll probably give them a shot. There's a bunch of different colors in this kit. And I'll show you the last bait I have here by the same company. Here it is right here. These are like a tiny little crawfish. Bunch of different colors. Probably gonna throw these as well. Another thing too, guys, if I talk a little funny in this video, I cracked my front tooth. So I kind of have a little lisp going here, but we're gonna throw it in here and try to get on some fish. Alrighty, let's give it a shot over here. There's a nice deep hole here right before this current. I'm telling you guys, if you haven't tried fishing this way for these bass, you got to try on ultralight gear, because I'm using a 6'6" ultralight rod, 4-pound test. It's actually 6-pound braid to a 4-pound leader. All right, let's give this a shot. First cast. Get closer by the current, maybe. Let's throw some scent on this, maybe that'll make a difference. Show you what we got here. Got some Procure here. This is for trout, but it'll work on pretty much anything. Just put a little dab on it. Just like that. Yep, there's a fish. As soon as it hit. Little bass. You will catch a lot of these with ultralight, because you are using a smaller bait. But even these little ones are fun. If I hear, he hit it on the drop. Little guy, like I said. Yeah, little bass, maybe 7 inches. But like I said, even something this small gives you a nice little fight. See you, dude. All right, let's get it back over there. There's a fish. Very next cast. Nice little bass. See what I mean, guys? These little fish fight great on this ultralight. Makes it so much more fun. I'd love to do a few videos a year on these smallmouth with the ultralight. It's definitely my favorite type of fishing to do for them. Come here, buddy. See what I'm saying, guys? Nice little fish, very healthy. I love it, man. It's so much fun. I'm here less than 5 minutes, got 2 fish. I'm telling you guys, if you want to be super dad, take them out ultralight fishing. They'll have the time of their lives. Let's get it back in there. And you don't have to do much, just throw it upstream. Let the current bring it down and twitch it a little. That's all you need to do. Keep it close to the bottom. And try down here by the current. Got a lot of moving water here. Then we got a current break down there. Let's try down here. Got 2 so far. We're gonna fish this lure here for a little bit. Switch it up and hit that same hole with something else just to see if that makes a difference. Try to get on some of these big bass. There's a fish. This one's better, guys. Feels better anyways. Yeah, this is a better fish. Oh, this is fun. Look at this. Oh, he get me under a rock. Oh, come on, guys. Snag now, I think. We had a fish on there. Can't tell if he's still on or not. Walk downstream, maybe. Yeah, darn it. All right, we're all rigged back up. Yeah, that bass got me under a rock, I believe. Got off. Snagged me all up. It was nice. Let's throw it back over there. There's a fish. Seems all right. Just drifting that bug around. He's fighting good. Oh yeah, he's a nice fish. Just scared the crap out of me. Nice fish. I'm gonna net him. If we could get him closer. He doesn't want to give up. Yeah, there we go. Nice bass, guys. Yeah, first decent bass of the day. Probably about 12 inches. Fought great on the ultralight. Let's get the hook out of his mouth. That's what we got him on. But yeah, look at him. Super, super healthy. He couldn't resist the evil mite. Let's let him go. Another one. Next cast. Right in that current. Right where we should be. It's fighting good too. Yeah, this is fun, guys. This is a lot of fun. Probably about the same size is what I'm gonna say. Maybe a little smaller. Yeah, wasn't that him as well? All right. Heck yeah, guys. Another nice fish. Very next cast. Yeah, look at him. Super healthy, all these bass. Beautiful fish. Like I said, just drift it in the current there. We were able to get them. See you later, buddy. Alrighty. Every time you catch a fish, you get all twisted up. Why is that? Every time. All right. There's a bite. Got him. Came back for it. This one feels pretty good, guys. So much fun. I know I keep saying that, but look, he's not even that big. Come on, buddy. It seemed that big. Yeah, he's a little smaller, but gave up a good fight. Come here. Yeah, there you go. Look at how he got that right in the corner of the mouth. Come here, dude. Yeah, look at those golden colors. Beautiful little bass. Fought like a champ. Let's let him go. That's 5 fish, and I really haven't moved much. Although we started right in this rock area. Caught a few there and caught like 3 here. They're all stacked up right in this current here. Ooh, come back for it. He was on there for a second. There's a fish. What's this? This ain't a bass. Is it trout? Is it a fall fish? That's a fall fish. Oh, there's another big bass right here with them. Come here. Oh, big old fall fish. Like I said, there was just a big Nice big bass. Swear right in front of me. See, I don't see him right now. I don't know where he went. This looks pretty good over here. A lot of rocks. Oh yeah. See if there's anything under these boulders right here. Let's get down here. All right. Yeah, there's a bunch of big boulders right here. Throw right in front of here. It's got that something small, I think. Try it again. There's a very faint bite. So, you know, let's switch up. We've been fishing with this all day. See what we can change up to here. Let's try the craw, I guess. What color? Let's try this color. Yeah, it's kind of a natural presentation, right? All right, let's get in here. There's a fish as soon as I hit the water. Small little bass, I think. Yeah, fall fish. Oh, this creek is loaded with these things. At least we got something on the craw. It's been a while since I got a bite. There's a fish. What do we got here? Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish. Stay on, buddy. Doesn't want to give up. All right, we got him in the net. All right. Check you out, bro. Yeah, nice fish, guys. Gave up a nice fight. Probably about a 12-incher here, maybe. Yeah, we'll say 12. Yeah, nice fish. It's been a while since I got a fish, guys. Man. Once it got hot, it just kind of died. That fish wanted it, though. Got a fish on. I was on, oh my God. I had a bird's nest I was taking out. This fish hit it. Didn't even know he was on there. Doesn't want to come in the net. There you go, buddy. It's a nice little bass. Look at those colors though. Small, beautiful colors. Like I said, I had a bird's nest and he was on there. Just glad he didn't swallow the hook. Because I didn't set it, he set himself. There's fish around that shoreline over there. I thought that'd be in the current. He doesn't feel that big. Oh, it's a bluegill. You don't catch many of these out of here. I don't think I've ever caught a bluegill out of this creek. I believe that's some type of hybrid. Look at the black on them up there. That's not a typical bluegill. Might be a redbreast slash bluegill, maybe. Like I said, I've never caught a bluegill out of this creek, but here, dude. Alrighty, so we're gonna end it on that last bluegill. Had a great day down here in the creek. I was able to catch most of those fish on the Eagle Mite. I'll leave that lure in the description below in case any of you guys want to pick it up. But like always, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing if you haven't already. Thank you and have a great day.